how to see who view my story on Instagram. All you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram app like this, I will show you two methods. So the first method is go and open up your profile like this. After you open your profile, as you can see now, the story must be active the first way. So tap on your profile this. After you open your profile, as you can see now, I have active story on my Instagram now. If I want to see who view all my this Instagram story, to tap on this activity at the bottom left side. After you tap on this activity, now you can be able to see, as you can see here, it says viewers. So now I can be able to see all the people that view this Instagram story. I have 3 people. If you want to view the person profile, just tap on this 3 dot at the bottom. After you tap on this 3 dot, tap on this view profile. So as you can see now, here is the person that view my Instagram story. So the second method to see who view your Instagram story is, if your story, let's say, is expired, is exceed 24 hours, so you can't find the story in this session. So all you have to do now to see who viewed the story that has expired on Instagram, tap on this, as you can see now, menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, tap on this archive button. After you come to this archive, now make sure you tap on this, as you can see now, story archive. Sometimes it will give you as post archive. So select this story as archive. After you select story archive, now go ahead and open the story that you want to see who view it on Instagram. I'll open this one. So if I open this one, as you can see now, if I want to see who view this Instagram story, to tap on this activity at the bottom again. So as you can see now, after I tap on this activity, I can be able to see all the people that view my Instagram story after I expired. That's it guys on how to see who view your Instagram story. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.